Hi guys, so today I'm talking about you voted on my Facebook page, link in the description below, and on my Twitter, I put a poll what should be my next videos, and one was overcoming depression. So, trigger warning for anyone that has like depression stuff. I do, and here's a little bit tips on how to help you guys. One, I want to say this is a serious problem or serious topic, so I'm not gonna be all hypey and stuff, but I hope this does help some of you guys. Figured I'd make this video because I did do a how to overcome anxiety video. You can click that right there after this video, and I figured to talk about the and I want to put a disclaimer again. If this stuff does like trigger you, I'm sorry. I'm not trying to trigger people. I'm just trying to have a conversation with you guys and be real about it. So I want to tell you guys that it is okay to feel not okay type thing. Like if you're feeling really depressed, I get it. A few years ago, I was going through depression, and what helped me was talking again. This relates to my anxiety video. Is talking about it, and again, every person is different, but this is my opinion. And if you guys want to tell your stories, or how you cope with depression, anxiety, whatever, then tell me in the comments below. I'd like to know. This is just not me. This is for you guys too. So depression can be very hard, and I want you guys to know that I believe in you. I believe you guys can succeed. Overcoming depression is hard. It all depends on a different how you look at it. I think of it as it's a challenge, but you can get forward. You can step forward and not do suicide. Um, and my thing is go to therapy. um, um, Depression, it can, in your mind, there's, if you hear voices or whatever telling you should stop, don't listen to them, then maybe think about going to therapy and talking stuff out. For me, talking things out helped. I'm not sure if you guys are religious or not, but I believe in God and I pray to Him. If you don't believe in God, that's fine. I pray and I help, and that helps me a lot. I taught my friends and family about it. Not all of them, but some of them about it. My close friends. Exercise helps you distract your mind when you're going through things, watching favorite YouTubers or Netflix or something. You can, again, distracting your mind helps. In the end, you just have to think, okay, I'm feeling depressed right now, but what can I do to get out of the depressed stage? I know it's really hard, but I believe in you. There's a love. If you need help, then I believe we should get more help. And if this helped you guys, then share this video with a friend. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.